Hello friends, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? I hope all good. Myself Jyoti and today we are going to discuss about the answer key of technical officer. इस वीडियो में हम लास्ट सेक्शन दैट इज डोमेन सेक्शन को डिस्कस करेंगे. अदरवाइज ये वीडियो बहुत ही लंबा हो जाएगा, इसलिए सिर्फ एक ही पार्ट को हम डिस्कस करेंगे यहाँ पे. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द वाइटामिन विच हेल्प्स इन द कन्वर्जन ऑफ ट्रिप्टोफैन टू नियासिन इज. ऑप्शंस आर pyridoxine, biotin, thiamine, pantothenic acid. So right answer is pyridoxine. Next question is the essential amino acid in short supply in cereals is. Options are methionine, phenylalanine, isoleucine, lysine. So right answer is lysine. Next question is active packaging system use oxygen scavengers while packaging grated cheese to. Options are decrease level of condensation, prevent mold growth, prevent enzymatic browning, retain vitamin C. So right answer is prevent mold growth, B. Next question is on the basis of their shelf life, potatoes and onions are classified as. Options are non-perishable, semi-perishable, perishable and stable. Right answer is semi-perishable. Next question is food safety management system related documents and records which are mandatory are. Options are equipment breakdown maintenance report, visitor record, approved supplier list, medical fitness certificate for food handlers. Right answer is D, medical fitness certificate for food handlers. A powerful chemical released when an allergen enters the body causing symptoms of allergy. Options are antigen, antibody, antihistamine, histamine. Right answer is histamine. Next question is which one of the following statement is incorrect with respect to mass spectrometry? Options are can determine types of element in compounds. It is used to determine a particle's mass. Can determine the amino acid profile of a protein. Can measure difference between mass of different isotopes of the same atom. So right answer is C. Can determine the amino acid profile of a protein. Next question is fats perform the following functions except for one function. Which function does fat not perform? Options are adds satiety value and flavor, helps absorb fat soluble vitamins, provide thermal insulation, stimulates peristalsis and eliminates fecal matter. As we know that fat does not play any role in elimination of fecal matter, so right answer will be D. Next question is the date beyond which a packaged food product may still be perfectly safe to eat, though its quality may have diminished is. Options are expiry date, best before date, date by use, date of discounted sale. So right answer is B, best before date. Next question is which one of the following statement is incorrect with respect to the microbial enzymes? Options are they offer huge economic benefit to the industry. They are produced through fermentation. They have better stability than plant or animal enzymes. Use of enzymes or microorganisms in food is a recent development. So right answer is D. Use of enzymes and microorganisms in food is a recent development. Next question is the enzyme which increases the bioavailability of thiosulfonates is inulase, aryl sulfatase, allinase, diastase. So right answer is allinase. Next question is another term for provitamin is active form of vitamin, performed vitamin, coenzyme and precursor. So as we know that provitamin is also known as precursor. Next question is fruits and vegetables are blanched during processing mainly to remove foreign material like stalk and soil, reduce processing time, eliminate enzymes or microorganisms, destroy insects and pesticide residues. So right answer is C, eliminate enzymes and microorganisms. Next question is self-stable product with a water activity of 0.6 to 0.84 which can be eaten without rehydration are called. Options are convenience food, low moisture food, high moisture food, intermediate moisture food. So right answer is D, intermediate moisture food. Next question is as compared to conventional method of extraction, green extraction technologies have the following advantages except. Options are time consuming, high quality extract, low environment impact, safe products. Right answer is A, time consuming. Next question is which of the following dietary fibers is from of a non-carbohydrate source? Options are lignin, algae, mucilage, pectin. एल्गी, म्यूसिलेज और पेक्टिन ये सारे तो तीनों अलग अलग हो गए हमारे. एल्गे तो हमें समझ आ ही रहा है, तो नॉन कार्बोहाइड्रेट सोर्स पूछा है तो हमारा इसमें होगा लिग्निन. लिग्निन क्या है हमारा? नॉन कार्बोहाइड्रेट सोर्स है डाइटरी फाइबर का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज with reference to food fortification in India, which of the following statement is correct? Options are some commonly consumed food are fortified. Fortification of food is a new concept. Fortified food provide 100% RDA. Fortification aim at bridging the protein calorie gap. Right option is A. Some commonly consumed food are fortified. Next question is allergen cross contact in food properties can be prevented by. Options are following safe food handling and storage practices, cooking all protein rich foods thoroughly, maintaining ingredients used in recipe on the menu card, maintaining non-food allergens on the package label. Right answer is following safe food handling and storage practices. Next question is foods which have the potential to prevent disease and promote good health are called GM foods, organic foods, nutraceuticals, special foods. Right answer is nutraceuticals. Next question is which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to the Enterobacteriaceae family? Options are fecal coliforms which can grow at 45 degrees Celsius belong to this class. Pathogens like E. coli, Salmonella and Enterobacter are some of the genera in this class. It is a large family of gram-positive bacteria. They are present in human intestinal tract. So right answer is C. It is a large family of gram-positive bacteria. Next question is with respect to non-communicable disease, which of the following statement is incorrect? They cannot be prevented. Excessive intake of saturated fats and cholesterol should be avoided. They are also called lifestyle related disease. Obesity predisposes a person to non-communicable disease. Right answer is they cannot be prevented. According to this question, right answer is they cannot be prevented. Next question is which one of the following cannot be called a non-communicable disease? Options are diabetes and atherosclerosis, hepatitis, cancer. Right answer is C, hepatitis. Next question is epidemic dropsy is caused by mycotoxin, Lathyrus tivus, mustard oil, argemone oil. Right answer is D, argemone oil. Next question is walnuts are rich source of. Options are butyric acid, retinoic acid, stearic acid, alpha linolenic acid. So right answer is D, alpha linolenic acid. With respect to the quality control to correct errors and prevent repetitions, 5 W's need to be answered. Which of the following is not one of them? Options are why was it made, what errors was made, whom was it reported to, where was it made. Right answer is whom was it reported to. Next question is the toxin produced by Clostridium botulinum is A or N. Options are enterotoxin, hepatotoxin, or hemolysin, neurotoxin. So right answer is neurotoxin. Next question is most foods have a water activity above 0.65, 0.85, 0.95, 0.9. So right answer is 0.95. Next question is the mold used in the preparation of soya sauce is. Options are Rhizopus stolonifera, Penicillium chrysogenum, Aspergillus oryzae, Aspergillus tamari. Right answer is Aspergillus oryzae. Next question is in-house procedures for continuous monitoring of operations and systematic day-to-day checking of produced data for reliability in the analysis laboratory is called. Options are external audit, external quality control, quality management, internal quality control. Right answer is D, internal quality control. Next question is with respect to irradiation of food, Which one of the following is incorrect? Options are: sensory characteristics do not change significantly, can be used as a substitute for GMP, Rudra symbol should be displayed on the label, food in sealed containers can be irradiated. Right answer is B, can be used as a substitute for GMP. Next question is: which one of the following statement is incorrect for sprouted pulses? Sprouting increase the shelf life, sprouting increase digestibility, sprouting increase component of B complex and vitamin C, sprouting increase availability of nutrients. So right answer is A. स्प्राउटिंग इंक्रीज द सेल्फ लाइफ, इनकरेक्ट पूछा था. स्प्राउटिंग हमें पता है कि सेल्फ लाइफ को डिक्रीज करता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज: which one of the following statement is incorrect with respect to algal toxins in shellfish and fish in oceans? Options are eliminated by cooking and freezing, cause symptoms of food poisoning, they have no smell or taste, enter the body enter the body of fish and shellfish can be retained. Right answer is A, are eliminated by cooking and freezing. Next question is: with respect to probiotics, which one of the following statement is incorrect? They colonize the large intestine and can combat harmful bacteria. Probiotic bacteria are added to processed foods for their health benefits. They survive pasteurization and cooking temperatures. They are live organisms present in some foods which we eat. Right answer is C. Next question is: vitamin required for the synthesis of collagen is. Options are ascorbic acid, pantothenic acid, vitamin K, riboflavin. So right answer is ascorbic acid. Next question is: the best practices for frying food includes all of the following except. Options are: using oils which have a high smoke point, using stainless steel frying pans, removing food particles from oil frequently before they char, mixing the used cooking oil with new oil in the oil container. So right answer is D, mixing the used cooking oil with new oil in the oil container. इस क्वेश्चन में इनकरेक्ट पूछा था, इसलिए डी आंसर होगा इसका. Next question is: surface ropiness in milk is caused by. Options are: Pseudomonas fluorescens, Leuconostoc, Clostridium perfringens, Alcaligenes, Viscolactis. So right answer is D, Alcaligenes, Viscolactis. Next question is: what is the tagline for the Eat Right India movement? So options are: सही भोजन बेहतर जीवन, जागो ग्राहक जागो, सही पोषण देश रोशन, एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर. राइट आंसर इज ए, सही भोजन बेहतर जीवन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज: in an in-house reference sample for which one or more property values have been established by the user laboratory is called. Options are: test sample, spiked sample, blind sample, control sample. So right answer will be D, control sample. Next question is: my plate for the day, which promote which promote health, prevents hidden hunger and protects from disease, was developed in the year 2021, 2018, 2011, 2015. So right answer is 2018. Next question is: functional properties of lipids include all of the following except. Options are: prevents protect from sticking, aerating, development of flavor, adding bulk. So according to this question, right answer is adding bulk, D option. Thank you so much for watching.